welcome to your PDF. So as we are going with the series of text completion, now I have got another interesting exercise for you, and this is going to be your exercise number 89th. It's going to be from Manhattan, and I hope you are learning and enjoying what are the tricks which we are applying. First thing, how you need to read a sentence. Stop over the punctuation marks. Whenever you have or you read a sentence, think about it. Do we need a positive word or do we need a negative word for that? And apart from it, always fill the blank with your own shadow words. What can be there? And last but the nails, you need to learn some of the vocabulary words, or even you can go for the elimination method of the vocabulary. Let's get started now how you need to do this exercise. Now, this is going to be a very interesting one. It is Miss Lallian. Now, whatever the name of the person is, we are not concerned about it. Is known to gently what? Gently means बहुत प्यार से किसी के साथ gently dash students who do not do their homework. Now there is a lady and she gently, what she does with the students, gently बहुत प्यार से क्या करती है? जो होमवर्क नहीं करते हैं, either you scold them, you punish them, you expel them out of the class. तो इनमें से कोई चीज़ होगी, मतलब related to this category only. Now we get the thing from the context of the statement that the ones who do not complete their homework, they can be categorized into these three subcategories. But लेकिन because of her generally amiable demeanor, amiable होता है बहुत lovable, someone who is extremely lovable, likable by everyone, that is amiable. Demeanor is your behavior. कईयों का behavior बहुत ही प्यारा सा होता है. She refuses to punish anyone. Now here we were thinking, तो या तो वो scold करती होगी, डांटती होगी, या वो punish करती होगी. पनिशमेंट में ही आ जाता है क्लास से बाहर निकाल देना, राइट? तो इनमें से कुछ करती होगी. बट नाउ इट इज गिवन दैट शी रिफ्यूजेस टू पनिश एनीवन. वो इतनी अच्छी है, द टीचर इज वेरी सॉफ्ट हार्टेड दैट शी डज नॉट पनिश एनीवन. तो पनिश वाला यहाँ से हट गया. एंड सेल्डम इवन रेजेस हर वॉइस. एंड सेल्डम बहुत कम होगा, बहुत कम ऐसा होता है कि वो अपनी वॉइस को रेज करती है. लेट्स रीड द सेंटेंस स्टेटमेंट अगेन. Miss Lallian is known to gently dash students who do not do their homework. अब वो बहुत क्या करती है प्यार से उन बच्चों को जो होमवर्क नहीं करके आते हैं, या तो डांटती है या पनिश करती है. But because of her generally amiable demeanor, क्योंकि उसका behavior बहुत प्यारा सा है, amiable is lovable, the behavior you hold for a person, she refuses to punish anyone. वो क्या करती है, किसी को punish नहीं करती है. तो punish नहीं करती है तो other option is scold only, and seldom even raises her voice. और बहुत कम chances है कि वो अपनी voice को ऊंचा उठाएगी, right? Now we need a word that is close to scold. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options with us. Now coming to the very first, it's pillory. Pillory is, if you have seen, it is a kind of a wooden plank where the head of the person and for the hands of the person. There the head of the person comes out and here the hands, and then the person is there, right? So for the punishment, for the hanging, and there it is the sequence. You can search for the Google also. What is a pillory? So pillory is a kind of, you can say, wooden, like where a person is actually able to stand. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, punishment देते हैं जब हम किसी person को, तो उसको किस category में? Wooden framework with holes for the heads and the hands. So that is termed as your pillory. ओके, सो पिलौरी की वैसे कोई बात नहीं है कि ऐसे बच्चों को लटका के तो नहीं रखती कि बाहर है, उसका मुंह भी बाहर है. पनिशमेंट के तो वो खिलाफ है, लेडी बहुत सॉफ्ट है, तो ऑब्वियसली शी वोंट डू सच थिंग्स. Detest comes as a word very strong where you say that you hate someone or you do not like someone at all. And someone who is very sweet, that person can never hate anyone. So hate is a very strong word, detest is a very strong word. Next we have is malign. Malign is when you are trying to say some bad things from someone, or you say it publicly in an unfair manner. Okay? When you are using an offensive sort of language, ठीक है, किसी को बुरा बोलना, abuse, negative words बोलना, publicly बोलना, unfair means से बोलना, that is malign. Next you have is penalize. Penalize, we all know that is it is related to some kind of, you can say you violate a rule and you are trying to provide some kind of a punishment to that person. Punish करना, तो that is penalty लगाना, right? So that is penalize. This we have already done number of times in our text completion and sentence equivalence exercise. Shayad that means when you scold someone. किसी को डांटना, right? When you scold someone, when you blame someone for something which they have because of something wrong they have done, किसी ने कुछ चीज़ गलत की है उसको उसके लिए डांटते हो तो that is called as chide. Now you had 5 options. Again we need to think, we need a word which is closer to scold. तो क्या word आ जाएगा? Pillory, no. Detest, that is hating someone, wrong word. Malign, she won't use abusive language. Penalize, लिखा हुआ है वो punishment नहीं देती है. What is left? Chide, that is scold. तो क्या आएगा scolding के लिए? Chide आ जाएगा. So here it is. That verb gently is important here because it is impossible to gently detest. Gently कभी भी आप hate नहीं कर सकते. और gently pillory them. Malign is too negative and you already read that she does not punish anyone, so penalize does not work. So here it is the only option that is called as chide. Now you have that is when you tell somebody off, scold someone off, when whatever the mistakes they have done. Malign is when you are saying something hurtful, publicly offensive, that is malign. Detest is when you do not like a person, deeply despise a person or thing, you hate something a lot, that is your detest. Amiable is when you find someone very nice, displaying a very pleasant or friendly manner, or you call it that as a person who is very lovable to you. That is amiable. And now our last one, that is the display of your behavior, the way you behave to other person. Some people have a very sweet behavior with everyone, and someone they are always an angry sort. So different kind of behaviors are there for the person with the person we meet, right? So that was an easy one, not very tough. And I always say text completion comes as an easy part in your verbal. But all you need to do is, you need to practice questions, master the tricks, try to understand how you need to understand a statement, what are the categories you need to fit in, and yes, vocabulary plays an important role. So yeah, some of the important words you need to remember. So all the best, keep preparing, and all the best. We will be soon coming with lots and lots of questions. Take care.